Hello and welcome to another update video on ADA. I'm here currently on the 1 hour time frame. In yesterday's video we also discussed the larger time frame. Going to skip that today just to keep it nice and short because honestly we have not really seen a major reaction here to our Fibonacci support zone. It's currently still between 71.5 cents and 79.6 cents. The formal invalidation point for this 1-2 setup, is obviously the swing low from August, not April. August. That's at 68.5 cents. So we have a rally, but look, it's a low quality upside pattern, right? It's a 3-wave move. So this wave 1 is a 3-wave move, which means I don't really trust this as a correction. Yeah, I've mentioned before that our support zones that we had before, they were weak, right? They were weak support, and that doesn't mean they have to break, but that's a warning. That's just because it's low quality. It's a 3-wave move up, which means the market can go higher, and I'm watching for it, but I need some kind of a signal first, like a break above initial resistances, or an impulsive reaction to a support area. Best would be a break above our yellow trend line, of course, which is currently coming in around 97.98 cents. For now, the market is just moving sideways here with a tendency to go down again after an A wave down, which is the first leg of that correction, a B wave up, and possibly now a C wave here to the downside. This move down is potentially impulsive, potentially an impulse. If it's an impulse, then ideally, let me just double check that, but ideally, it's not needed. I was going to say ideally this third wave would even form another low. I think that would look best. If we now go higher in a fourth wave, again, if it's an impulse down, the fourth wave must not break into the wave 1 price region. So that's at 85.5 cents. That has certain implications if that happens, but to keep it simple, I've highlighted this as initial resistance area. It's between 82.4 cents and 86.2 cents. I don't see that as a very, very important resistance area. It's only a resistance area that should hold if we are still in this impulse down in a C wave. A break above doesn't necessarily mean we are all bullish. That would require a break above our trend line, but it could be an indication that the bulls are attempting to regain control. It's just the very first signal area, right, or signal level. If we break above 86.2 cents there, or 86.3 cents. So pressure remains down, and as long as we stay below 86.3 cents, I would go with this wave count. But I have to say, if we go higher now and cut into the wave 1 price region, then we might need to look into, okay, is this a diagonal pattern? Is things already changing, right? We can highlight that level actually here on the chart, but that should be clear from the rules and guidelines anyway. You guys know that once wave 4 cuts into the wave 1 price region, it can't be an impulse. Could still be a diagonal pattern. Then again, other scenarios need to be looked at. I mean, it just means that 1, 2, 3, the 4 can go a little higher, and but then let's keep it simple for now. That's why I said a break above resistance is only the first indication. It's not confirmation we're going up or something. It's like the first indication things might be shifting, but without seeing a 5-wave move up, it's still just range-bound movement, all right? So hopefully that is important to understand. Just a break above resistance, is not necessarily bullish. It's certainly not directly bearish, but it could just mean that we're simply extending this monster here into a more complex correction. And that's why, if that happens, we have to pay very, very close attention to the microstructures. That's exactly why we're tracking them on a daily basis. For now, further downside seems likely. This here is a weak consolidation here, just above the golden ratio level, not even a strong buy reaction. We're holding below resistance as well, so pressure appears downward. I keep you updated about anything that changes. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure you check out our membership options. And also you can follow us on X for additional charts, news, updates, and much more. Sometimes updates here are released a little sooner. So check it out if you're interested. Link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.